Say hello to my Martians because Rolanda and Jolanda always decide to pop up when I'm trying to film a video. Hello there. Today I am going to be doing the I try blank makeup tutorial. I did a poll on my channel and I asked you guys who should I do. The votes were really close between Nikki Tutorials and Patrickstarrr. And guess who won? Patrickstarrr. I'm actually really scared and excited and nervous to do this. I actually have not done any like crazy intense makeup in a very long time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below if I should recreate another look from like a Spanish beauty guru, and I can do that video all in Spanish. Let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so the video that I'm gonna do from Patrickstarrr is the one that he's doing the America's Next Top Model makeup. Disclaimer, I don't have exactly all the makeup that he used in his video, so I'm gonna be duping it a lot. Homegirls don't got money to go to the store and buy all that stuff that he got, so it's just me and my cheeks are very cheeky today.
Hydrating mist. I'm obsessed with spraying the face.
Okay, so he is like priming his face with some kind of spray. I don't have that spray, but I do have.
Come on, 2018.
I do have this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, so I'm going to use this to prime my face. But it does not taste good. It looks like he is actually doing his brows before foundation, which I normally don't do. I like to do my foundation before my brows, but let's just give this a shot. I don't know what pencil he's using, but I'm using the ItCosmetics Brow Power.
You can fix that with concealer. And as you can see, I'm doing the same on the other side.
In his video, he kind of jumped right to after his brows were carved. So I'm going to carve my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, brows are carved.
So for foundation, I'm going to take a brand new foundation. This one is called the Nars Natural Radiant.
Oh, I have that foundation. And I'm in the color Vienna. Okay, so he's putting it on a brush. A bigger version of this like little stippling brush.
Cute. Next, for the under eyes.
Wait, I haven't even put my foundation on yet. Oh gosh. And I know he does very full coverage, so that's what we're going for. I got a little hair turd going up in here. So my hair is a mess today. Wow, this foundation does have really good coverage, because look, it covered Rolanda and Yolanda pretty well.
I have been loving the YSL Touche Éclat.
A lot of concealer.
Because it's so smoothing on the nose and contour all around. So if you guys,
I don't have that concealer that he is using because I don't got that much money to spend on a concealer, to be quite honest. Okay, estamos por aquí. I do have this Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light, Light? Creme Brulee, which is pretty full coverage, and I think it'll do the job. I am so pale, you don't know the difference between my concealer and my face. Nena, con un poquito de sol. Let's blend away.
Beauty blender and blend all this concealer. Bounce the beauty blender out.
Can you believe, after all the hype on YouTube on this Nars concealer, I have never tried it until the other day that I went to the Nars Soho boutique that they were color matching me, and they gave me a free foundation and the concealer, and I gotta tell you, I know now why people are so crazy about this damn concealer, because it's really good, it lasts super long time, and it has really good coverage, and it doesn't crease, which is important. Looks like the next step he did was a lot of baking on his face. He did use his powder that he created with MAC. Excuse me. I don't have, but I do know in the past he has used this Airspun powder, so that's what I'm gonna use. He did take the beauty blender and dip it in the powder, and then he set his under eyes.
I'm going to the Philippines, if you guys didn't know.
Huh?
I'm going.
Come on, I need a lot of powder.
Things just to have on TV with a floaty face.
Wow. Whoa, dude, I am so scared of how this makeup look is gonna turn out. So he is using Kristen Dominique's palette, which I did order, not for this video because I didn't know I was gonna be doing this video, but it's not coming in until like the end of this week, and I'm already filming this today, so can I talk today? Try to find something as comparable, and I found that the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette has the two colors that he's using that is very, very similar to Kristen's palette. And so I'm going to use this little burnt orange shade, which seems to be the shade that he started off with. Use this burnt orange shade, and then he goes in.
Mix it with mocha. and apply this on the inner and outer crease. And the brush
hold up. You're too fast. Hold on. Espérate, Dios mío. Ay, Dios mío. Espérate. He puts it on the crease and kind of blends it out. Why is his mirror so fuzzy? Snoop. I never took out the little plastic. Oh, that was satisfying. I think I'm gonna use the same brush and just use the other side and take Cypress Umber and Real Gar. Oh my god, these names are terrible.
Inner and outer third, and I'm just connecting it in the middle to create this halo eye effect. And the reason why I did this eye, you guys, I'm gonna take my
dude, how did you just, oh my god, wait, stop. That was too quick. Okay, I gotta perfect this. And then he connected. Whew. I feel like I was holding my breath while I was doing my eyeshadow, honestly. Just blend this. This is like my most exciting part. He goes in with the Lit Liquid Glitter Base, and then he also adds in this like kind of champagne-y glitter. I don't have the exact glitter he's using, but I have something very similar. This shade right, this color right here, which is also from Lit. So I've actually never ever done pigments on my eye, which I am so excited to do right now. Try this. Oh, I'm excited and nervous. He dips it, applied it onto the center of the lids. Oops, I think I put too much. Oh my gosh, glitter is so hard to work with. Wow, I'm really not used to doing this. He brings it like really high.
I have been loving this Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in dark brown. I just love...
He's doing a brown eyeliner. I don't have a brown eyeliner, liquid liner. I only have black, so I'm gonna do black. This is the Sephora Waterproof Wink It Felt Liner, which is amazing. It's so dark and pigmented, and it's so waterproof. I'll even worn it to the gym and it like doesn't come off. Anybody else holds their breath when they're doing their liquid liner? Glitter looks so crazy. How does he make it look so good? He did a little bit of the brown under the under eye, so I screwed up one of the steps. He actually goes in his waterline with a brown eyeliner first and then the brown eyeshadow, but you know, like I already screwed up this look anyways. So what's another little more screw up? I don't have the mascara that he's using in his video, but let me just tell you that the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise is so good. And then he puts on like 2 pairs of lashes, which I actually have a pair. Like he doesn't specify which, but I actually just recently got this Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection, which is basically 3 lashes in 1 strip. So I figured this would be perfect. Okay, lashes are on, and these are freaking intense. Like my eyes feel so heavy right now. Like I literally want to just go to sleep. He smudges out his lower lash line a little bit.
So I'm gonna dust off the fallout.
Let's brush off all of our bake. He goes in with some bronzer, which I don't have the bronzer he's using, but I do have this Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the shade medium 2. Color back to his face. I'll do that too. I'm looking very pale right now.
Guys, I'm looking so snatched and I love
it. So he used a foundation powder to set yet again his under eyes. The only one I really have, Revlon Press Powder, which is not really a foundation powder.
Guys, here's another trick. You guys and dip into your foundation powder or whatever. This is gonna be a lot, okay? And just take this.
Wow, that's a lot of powder, but let's do it because he did it. Okay, hold the sponge like he did. Okay. Contouring his face, maybe I will take the same Bobbi Brown, and I'm just gonna use this to contour because that's all I got.
The Morphe Y11, one of my favorites. Contour my face.
And I did notice he did his nose contour, but he did it not on camera, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so he's using Peaches by MAC, which I don't have, and this one seems to be very similar in the shade, so I'm just gonna use this one for blush. This is, I don't even know what this is. It's Apricot Powder Brush, and I think this is like some random brand that I've had in my drawer that I picked up at IMATS, like probably like 5 years ago. Lips, he does like a brownie outline of the lips, and he does a peachy lipstick and then a kind of peachy pinky nude lip gloss. I don't have exactly the products that he's using. Lip liner, I'm going to use this Rimmel Exaggerated Full Lip Color Liner in the shade Epic. For the lips, I'm going to go with the Maybelline Darling Nude Matte Lipstick, and to top it off, I'm going to use the Sephora lip gloss in the shade Perfect Nude. Okay, the lips didn't come out exactly like his, but I think I came pretty darn close. Okay guys, so yeah, this is my attempt at recreating Patrickstarr's makeup tutorial.
For the fiercest, your baddest, and your...
What do you think? This makeup look is very intense. I don't usually wear this much makeup. My face definitely feels very dry. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. Was this a success or a fail? Do not feel like I even look like myself right now. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Come follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter and all my social media because I want to be friends with you. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!